Alright, so I've never made one of these videos before. Like, this is like kind of like my first time doing one of these kind of videos. I'm doing a trip announcement of where we're going this summer. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put clips in, and yeah, rip off the Band-Aid. We're going to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg this summer. So I know probably the first thing you're thinking is, I mean, like, we went 2 years ago, you know, we went to 2022, last year we went to King's Dominion. Like, why are we not going somewhere new? We had many, like, ideas where we wanted to go this summer. I think at first, I wanted to go to Cedar Point, and then we were actually pretty close to going to SeaWorld. We got pretty close to that, almost to the planning phase, and then it kind of stopped, and then I think Carowinds was in the talk for a little bit, and then we decided, you know what, just do simple, just go, because we have friends in Richmond that we go visit. That's how we go to, like, Busch Gardens and King's Dominion and all that. And they live, like, 15 minutes away from King's Dominion, about an hour away from Busch Gardens, so it's nice. We can make a visit out of it, you know, because there's some family friends of ours. And knowing that we went to King's Dominion last year, I mean, might as well, yeah, go to Busch Gardens. And King's Dominion hasn't really added anything since we last went to Busch Gardens. They've done, they redid Loch Ness Monster. They added Dark Coaster. They have a whole new coaster now. So there's some new stuff there I'd like to do. And also, I'm gonna mention, yes, I got a new camera bag. But there's some things I've upgraded my equipment. As you can tell, I'm recording on the new Nikon Z30, other than my cheap Sony Handycam that I used to have. But another reason is I actually bought this with some money I made up at work. I got a new GoPro. So I got the new GoPro Hero 12, and I tested it out a decent amount. Took it to the beach a few days ago. It's a good camera. I like it a lot. And I gave my GoPro Hero 9 to my younger brother Foster. You may know from, like, my most popular video, Hero Griffin. And I also gave him my, I had like a Canon, a 2013 Canon. I gave that to him, and I will link down in the description his channel. I made him a new channel. He's gonna do, like, theme park videos like this, and he's gonna have the chest mount. So he's gonna record on rides. I'm gonna record on rides. I'm gonna vlog. It'll be fun. I'm really excited. We don't know exactly when we're going. By the time this video out, we probably do. Mainly a week or two from now, we're probably gonna be there. I will update on Instagram when I get the official date, so follow me on Instagram, @ThatCoasterGeek, and yeah. I mainly want to talk about this video, what I'm excited for, and what, like, I'm just looking forward to, you know, because Busch Gardens is a park, it's my favorite theme park. It's the theme park I've been to the most. It's a big part of my life is that theme park. I've had a lot of memories there, and I think the big thing I'm excited for is obviously to ride, you know, the new stuff. I'm excited to ride Dark Coaster. I'm excited to try the, like, refurbished Loch Ness Monster, because let alone, I would, like, if you asked me last time I went, Loch Ness Monster's smooth in aero terms. Not like, I'm not talking about like B&M glass smooth, but like, for its age, I mean, it's 46. It's pretty smooth. And so I'm excited to see. I haven't really seen much about, like, it. I know there's a bunch of videos that popped up, and I've kind of hid myself from it. I know there's, like, new theming and stuff like that, and I don't know what's in the cave. I've tried to not spoil that for myself, because apparently it's, like, pretty cool. I haven't really spoiled much of Dark Coaster for myself. I don't really care much about Dark Coaster. I know it sounds kind of weird, even though it's a new coaster. I've heard mixed reviews on it. I've heard some people say it's really good. I've heard some people say it's kind of meh. And I've heard more of the meh than the good. And I don't really know, like, prediction-wise what I think of it, because I don't really know much about the ride itself. I think I might like it. I don't know if it'll be better than, like, Tempesto or anything. I think it'll be, like, lower tier. The thing is just kind of weird, though, because, like, the theme of Dark Coaster is you're escaping something. It's an indoor coaster. It's scary. Not even 500 steps away, you have Verbolten, which is indoors. Launches, like Dark Coaster. Multi-launch. Scary. Verbolten's pretty scary, actually. I would say. For, like, a young kid, it's pretty scary. And you're escaping something, aka the Black Forest. So I think it's kind of, like, weird. I mean, I mean, if it was like they were on two opposite ends of the park, it's whatever. But I mean, they're not even 500 steps away from each other. Like, they're right there. So I think that's kind of weird to me. And also, I won't be surprised if I don't get to ride it, because what we do when we go is we just go, like, clockwise. And I mean, the line probably be long. I mean, if it's below 30 minutes, I'll do it. I mean, I don't know. So that's that. yeah, I said I was excited for Loch Ness. I'm just excited to go back, you know. I'm excited to ride Pantheon again, Paul's Chariot, Griffin, you know, all the good stuff. Alpine guys, and so I'm gonna talk about Alpine guys for a bit. I'm not a big fan of Alpine guys, and that sounds weird, although I say it's better than Afterburn. It's just bigger, and you know, I think that the bigger, it makes it's cool in a way. Like, it's just like, it's awesome, it's Alpine guys, you know? But, I was like, why does everyone say, like, this ride is so good? And I think it's, like, rough. I've never ridden it, like, in the front, upper, like, rows. I've only ridden it in, like, from, like, the middle to the back. So I would love to get a front ride Alpine guys. I want to see how, like cause like most of the time, especially if you watch like my old videos from 2022, which I don't recommend because like it's bad quality and everything. The camera, like even if the Hero 9 stabilization, it wasn't good, it wasn't stable, and most of the time I was just like you know, and I was like bracing, and it was a hard ride to film on. But yeah, I would like to ride it again, you know, get some rides. Also ride Invader, maybe. Hopefully this time we get to ride Invader. I haven't ridden Invader in 7 years. I have not ridden Invader since July of 2017. Which was the year it opened. So, you know, it's been a little bit since I've ridden that ride. And, you know, I'd like to ride it again. Invader's fun, from what I remember at least. I mean, I don't know. And I just think that I've improved vlogging-wise. I mean, like I said, I wouldn't recommend it, but if you look at my old Busch Gardens vlog from 2 years ago, the camera's like all up and down, like blah blah blah. It's not a good watch. And I was just loud and obnoxious, and it was just kind of like like I don't really cringe looking at like my past self, because I see like as me as like at that time I was just doing my thing, you know. But that video, I'm like, like I was just obnoxious and loud. I was just like, I don't know how like people in the park like fed up with me. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm not gonna make this a long video. I'm probably gonna edit like right now. But I just want to say, because I haven't really made a video in a while. Yeah, it's been a while since I made a video. So I just thought I'd update y'all, let y'all know that I'm okay. I'm doing good. I'm excited for Busch Gardens. Hope you guys are too. The next video on this channel will probably be the vlog. And so yeah, like I said, I'll update on Instagram when I know like all the details and stuff like that. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Hudson from That Coaster Geek. I'll see you guys later. Bye.